JavaScript programs can be used to do more than just tinker about with text and graphics on a single web page. They can also be used to create so-called AJAX applications. AJAX is short for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Typically, an AJAX application will involve some programs that run on the server, that is, on a website, online, and some JavaScript that runs on the computer, that's in the page that executes inside your web browser. The JavaScript running locally on your own computer may request data from the program running remotely on the server. That remote program is likely to be written in a language such as PHP or Python or Ruby, and those languages are able to request data, and that data may be stored in simple text files, or it may be stored in an online database. And they can then return that data to the JavaScript program running in your browser. And at that point, the data may then be displayed in the web page. In order to run AJAX programs, you need a web server. You can't just load the HTML web pages from disk. If you upload the sample files to your website, the site's server will run them when you load the web page. But if you want to run them on your local computer, you'll need to install a web server, such as, for example, Apache from www.apache.org. And you then place the files, that's your web pages with the JavaScript, and your data files in a directory which the server will process, for example, beneath Apache's htdocs directory. XML, which is short for Extensible Markup Language, is the traditional data format used by AJAX applications. In fact, other formats can also be used, but in this step, in the various videos and in the chapter that accompanies this step in the ebook, I'll mostly stick to XML. But before even doing that, I'm going to start with something really simple. An example that just loads up a piece of text, hello world, stored in the file hello.txt. And to see how I do that, watch the next video.